Hi, Mark Hudson here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus, and I want to welcome you to our tour today of 5710 Cabbage Spring Road in Mount Airy, Maryland. Go to www.5710cabagespring.com to learn more about this incredible 6-acre private property. Partially wooded, this contemporary estate surrounded by working thoroughbred horse farm is ready for your inspiration and personal touch. It has tremendous privacy combined with an impressive 7,700 square foot home and is presented in 3 levels, a full basement, a large open main level, and an upper floor. This home is bright, open, and has a perfectly positioned floor plan that provides spectacular farm and pasture views from every window. With the full partially finished basement, it has untapped potential with a massive concrete bunker that's unfinished and may be used as a walk-in safe or a wine cellar. The main floor has an oversized 3-car garage, a large laundry room, a mud room, a spacious pantry, an open eating kitchen with a separate formal dining room, a billiard room, and a game room with a wet bar. The kitchen is definitely the heart of this contemporary, one-of-a-kind home, with updated stainless steel appliances and a double oven wall unit, 2 deep sinks with garbage disposals, beautiful top-of-the-line granite countertops, and tons of cabinet space and counter space. The second floor offers 5 large, spacious bedrooms, an office space, and a bonus room, each boasting gorgeous farm views. The private master suite is located on the opposite end by way of an interior breezeway that overlooks the living room and the dining room. The master suite offers vaulted ceilings, new carpet, a second-level deck, double sinks, granite countertops, whirlpool bath, large separate shower, and a large separate water closet. This is a rare trophy home that was completely overbuilt. All mechanical and HVAC systems are newly serviced with a full 1-year home warranty. The new roof was installed in October 2018. To learn more about this amazing home or to schedule your own personal tour, go to www.5710cabagespring.com.